Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept an integer n and n coordinate points. The top left and bottom right coordinate points of a rectangle. It must print the number of points among the n points which is present inside the rectangle. The program must accept an integer n and n coordinate points, the top left and the bottom right coordinate points of a rectangle, and then it must print the number of points among the n points which is present inside the rectangle. Now let us check for our test case. In this test case, n is equal to 5 and the top left and the bottom right coordinates are here. And now let us initialize a variable called start row and initialize 2 to it. And let us initialize another variable called end row and initialize 6 to it, x and y coordinate. And then start call and let us initialize 1 to it and end call which is equal to 4. If x and y are the coordinates of P. Now we have to check a condition that if start row is less than equal to x less than equal to end row and start call less than equal to y less than equal to end call means the point is present inside the rectangle. This is the logic. Now let us come to our test case. In our test case 2 comma 2 which is less than or equal to start row and less than end row, so it is present inside the rectangle. Less than 1 and also less than equal to 4, so it is present inside the rectangle. Where 4 comma 1, it is also present inside the rectangle. Next 1 and 3, 1 which is not equal to 2, so it is not present inside, so not inside. 4 and 3, 4, so greater than 2 and less than equal to 6, so it is present inside the rectangle. Greater than 1 and less than equal to 4. Now 7 which is exceeding the 6, so it's not present inside the rectangle. Now there are 3 points present inside the rectangle, so 3 must be printed as our output. Now let us apply our logic using Python 3. We must get the input integer n from the user, and we must get n coordinates and then store it in a list called points. And for x and y coordinates of the rectangle, let us initialize some variable start row, comma end call, comma end row, comma start call. We shall get it as our input. End row, end call, start row, start call. Now let us run a for loop for point in points. If we are just checking that whether the point is inside the rectangle or not. If start row is less than equal to point of 0, that is xth coordinate, which is less than equal to end row, and now let us copy this and paste, and we have to change the end call and the point as 1 because it is the y coordinate, and start call which is less than equal to point of 1 less than equal to end call. If this condition satisfies, means the point is present inside the rectangle. So you have to increment count by 1. Now for incrementing count by 1, we have to initialize count to 0. So count is equal to 0. And after the for loop, we have to print the count, how many points which is present inside the rectangle.